Welcome to Bigger Machines, most impressive and powerful excavators working on another level. JCB220X Excavator. The JCB220X is a mid-sized excavator, with a maximum operating weight of 24,743 kilograms. It is powered by a JCB EcoMax engine, which delivers 173 horsepower and meets Tier 4 final emissions standards. The machine has a maximum digging depth of 6.98 meters and a maximum reach of 10.67 meters. The JCB220X excavator is a machine that is built to handle tough jobs. With an operating weight of 24,743 kilograms, it has the strength and durability needed to take on even the most challenging tasks. The machine is equipped with a heavy-duty undercarriage, reinforced boom and arm, and robust steelwork throughout. This enables it to withstand the demands of heavy excavation work, demolition, and construction. In addition to its strength, the JCB220X also offers excellent control. The machine features JCB's advanced hydraulic system, which provides precise and responsive control of the boom and arm. This allows operators to work with greater accuracy and efficiency, even in tight spaces. The machine's advanced hydraulic system also helps to reduce fuel consumption, which can lead to cost savings over the life of the machine. Overall, the JCB220X is a powerful and versatile machine that is sure to be an asset to any construction or demolition project. Hitachi EX8000-7E Excavator. Newly introduced to the mining industry, the EX8000-7 is Hitachi's largest standard backhoe excavator, guaranteeing great power and force for demanding and challenging jobs. Weighing over 830 tons with a 43 to 48 cubic meters bucket capacity, which can move 75 tons of dirt per bucket load, the excavator comes with an option of a Cummins Q60 or MTU 12V 4000C33 diesel-charged engine, generating 2x 1,450 kilowatts at 1,800 revolutions per minute. With a front attachment design that prioritizes performance, the EX8000-7 achieves great productivity and reliable digging power across different mining profiles. The EX8000-7 excavator is engineered to tackle demanding jobs, whilst maintaining the operator comfort, taking the operator experience to new heights. Featuring electronic joysticks, an intelligent multifunctional display, advanced air suspension seating and improved climate control. XCMG X7000 Hydraulic Excavator. The first 700-ton hydraulic excavator from XCMG, the world's leading construction machinery manufacturer, has rolled off the company's advanced assembly line in Suzhou, China, heralding a new era for Chinese heavy equipment manufacturing. The successful development and production of the new XE7000E makes China the fourth country in the world to have the capability of producing 700-ton excavators after Germany, Japan, and the US. The 700-ton hydraulic excavator is powered by two 1,700 horsepower motors that can generate stronger force than two Type 99 tanks. Its weight is equivalent to 500 sedans, and is 23.5 meters long. The XE7000E can achieve a maximum thrusting force of 243 tons and a digging force of up to 230 tons, while its bucket can dig up 50 tons of coal with each scoop. It can load and transport 30,000 tons of coal in 8 hours, a high level of efficiency that is a major breakthrough for China's mining industry. KOMATSU PC2008 Excavator. The PC2008 is an ultra-large hydraulic excavator from KOMATSU. Its powerful engine and hydraulic system create high productivity and work efficiency with faster cycle time. The engine is a KOMATSU SA 12V140E3, a 30.48-liter 12-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. It generates over 700 horsepower, and is active in large-scale power sites. This completed die-cast display model from First Gear realistically reproduces the upper body design, chassis, and frame mechanism unique to hydraulic excavators. The upper part of the hull can rotate 360 degrees, and the boom, arm, and bucket are all movable. Details such as the cylinder that moves each part are also carefully reproduced, giving it a realistic mechanical finish. Starting with the undercarriage of the track, the shape of the chassis frame is made of die-cast metal and has a lot of weight. The tracks are of course movable, and the driver's seat is carefully reproduced as well. The stairs to climb to the driver's seat are delicately modeled. The KOMATSU logo is reproduced in addition to its typical yellow paint. This sizable display model conveys the power of an ultra-large hydraulic excavator, and is essential for any construction enthusiast's collection. Volvo EC950 FL Crawler Excavator. Volvo's largest excavator to date, the 95-ton EC950F offers the perfect combination of power, stability and breakout force to deliver maximum production in heavy rock and muck shifting applications. Powered by a Stage V compliant D16 engine, the EC950F delivers 449 kilowatts, ensuring an extremely responsive operation for maximum productivity. Maximize machine uptime and performance for any job application with the reinforced heavy-duty boom and arm built from high-strength tensile steel. Designed for maximum reliability in even the most severe conditions, steel strips are welded under the arm for added protection, and various boom and arm configurations are available to suit any bucket size or application. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.